welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unveil the new Coach bag that I've purchased in the past week. And as you guys could see, the large dust bag in there. I think you guys already have an idea what it is. And let me start with the small items first. So I have purchased several small items from Coach, and let me start with this one right here. Well, this item, I'm not really sure if they sell this along with a dust bag, but I did actually request for this tiny dust bag in here. So the first item is, wow, oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful, beautiful charm right here. Look at those cherries. Oh my gosh. Look at the detail of it. Wow. Very, very nice. Wow. I mean, I was looking at it like, I don't know, it's so silly. It feels like I could almost eat those cherries. You know, it's very, very nice though. It was actually a debossed right there. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. And then on the other side as well, I think this one is very well done though. This collection for the cherries are very well done. All right. So this one came in with this silver hardware, so you guys could see. And it has a zipper pull over here. And yeah, I think, yeah, this is just more likely a bag charm. I don't think you could use this as a coin purse because the opening is so wide. Or maybe an AirPod. Maybe you could put an AirPod in here. But I did not intend to purchase this to use as an AirPod or maybe a coin purse. So this is just a bag charm. Oh my gosh, I can't get over of how beautiful the cherries is. Wow, very lovely. So this is my first purchase. I love it. Yeah, definitely I could find a lot of uses on this charm, and I believe I paid around, I think it's around $45 US, and for that I can already tell it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. All right, so the second item is they also put this on this beautiful dust bag. I think the dust bag is for jewelry, if I'm not mistaken, really. So anyway, the second item is another cherry charm. Oh my gosh, I am literally obsessed with this collection, guys. Look at that, the attention to detail right there. Look at the cherries. So beautiful. The cherry actually stood out with the black and the white background. I really thought it's so pretty. This is what the back says right there. It's just Coach, New York. Okay. And then, wow, it's so pretty. Once again, this one has a silver hardware. I'm not really sure on what's your thought about the silver hardware because I have a lot of Coach bags and majority of them are in gold hardware. I'm not really sure how this would look with a gold hardware, but with the silver hardware, I think it looks perfect. I really do, but I know, I mean, you could just always mix and match them. But I'm not really sure how this would look with a gold hardware, but regardless, it is so pretty. Look at those beautiful and gorgeous cherries in there. Very pretty. I love it so much. Okay, and I also have another one as well. It is my all-time favorite bag charm, and I almost missed it. I will show the third charm later on after I unveil this purse right here. So anyway, moving on. Are you guys ready? So let me show you the latest addition to my Coach collection. Here comes. And for this bag, I put a thought into it. This has been around for, I think this was released a few months ago, and it took me a while to acquire this particular size. And let's see, let me show you what I've got. All right, wow, there she is. So I got the Carryall Empire bag, and look how big she is. She is huge. So I got the size 48, and wow, in this beautiful black color. I mean, this one came in with several colors. They have in maple. They also have a merlot as well. I think the merlot is more of like a burnish color, and I was debating which one to get, but I decided I opted in to get this black color because I wanted to use it as a work bag and a travel bag as well. And for that, with the black color, it goes with everything. It is a kind of bag, or it's a kind of color that is a worry-free bag. So also on this Carryall Empire, this one also came in with several sizes as well. So they have, I think the smallest one is the 26 centimeter, and they also have the 34 centimeter, and then they also have in the 35 centimeter as well. And then they have the size 40, and then the one that I've got is the largest one, which is the 48 centimeter. So anyway, let me give you a closer look of it. As you guys can see right there, wow, this is like a large leather in here. Very, very nice. Wow, very soft, very supple. And just to let you know, guys, that this particular bag, it is prone with marks and scratches, because that is just the nature of the natural grain leather. So if you're willing to embrace the imperfection, if you're willing to embrace those marks and scratches as the time goes by, and I would say it is just a part of wear and tear, and I think this is the perfect bag for you. But if you're worried too much about the wear, the marks and scratches, I don't think this is the bag for you. But for that, I already know, because I have several Coach bags. In the past, I used to worry about it, but nowadays, it's just the nature of the bag itself. All right. So this one has some sort of a contrasting stitching, the black and more of like a gray color in here. It seems that this part over here, the stitching, actually it's lighter gray, and for this one right here in the handle, seems to look like it is in black color right there. And this bag has the top handle over here. I think I'm not really sure if this one is cushiony, but it is pretty soft and it is sturdy, as you guys could see. And then this one has it has a gold hardware, as you guys can see. And another thing that I love about this bag, it has a very minimal hardware. All right. And we have the Coach logo right here. It says Coach New York over here, which is stamped in a gold foil. And another thing that I love about this purse, it's because there is no large branding in it. Like, there's no CC logos around it. And I love the fact that they did not put the Metal C logo right in front. It is more of like a muted, or more of like, I would say, a low-key bag. And that's what I love about it. Very pretty. Look at the hang tag over here. It's very, very simple. I just really love the simplicity of this bag, yet it looks so elegant, and the leather feels and look luxurious. All right, so let's take a look at inside. So this one has a zip closure in here, which I love. and that it has a very wide opening. Very nice, very soft and supple. The leather is everything on this bag. And the interior has a more of like a suede material type of fabric. And it is soft. And yeah, I like the lining of it. I really thought that the lining is made up of a textile lining, more of like a canvas lining. But apparently it has more of like a microfiber look to it. Very nice, very lovely. And it has a large pocket right here at the back. Wow, it's a huge pocket right there. And wide opening. I think that's the only pocket inside. Right there. Wow, it's so pretty. Of course, this came in with this strap, which is removable. That's the nice thing about it. All right. And wow, very lovely. A lot of space on this. And this is perfect for maybe a weekend bag or definitely a work bag. So that's what I intended to use this for. Very nice. All right. And also, this one has a lovely feet right here at the bottom. Over here. Right there. And then it says right here, genuine full grain leather. Very lovely. I love the beautiful stitching. The contrasting stitching looks very nice. And then the side corner of it right here. This is the type of bag, I personally think that this is the type of bag where you could just personalize it. You could put any charm that you'd like. And that is what I'm going to do with this bag. I'm just going to put a lot of bag charms in it to put my personal touch to it. Very lovely. And wow. So let me see. Without something inside, it has some weight to it, I must say. But I don't know, for some reason, the bag looks very attractive. I don't know. There's something to it. The shape, the leather, makes it look so special to me. I just find this bag so attractive. Really. So anyway, let me show you the last item, the last piece that I purchased. Here comes right here. Oh my gosh. The mini Rowan charm. Oh my gosh. This is such a beautiful charm. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The first time I saw this at the boutique, I said, oh wow, I think this is meant for me. This is one of the best seller for the collection. I mean, everything were sold out on this collection. And when I saw there's one for me left, I was like, okay, this is it. It's meant for me. And look at the detail. The detail for this charm is everything. Everything is spot on, from the strap, the hardware. Look at that. The beautiful stitching, the piping. So beautiful. And the quality itself, it seems like this one actually, the craftsmanship is absolutely beautiful on this piece. And it's definitely worth it. I believe I paid around $75 for this piece. And originally they are $158. And look at the detail. When you look at the detail of this purse, I think for $158 US, it's worth it. And I paid $75. It's even better. And then this one came with a hook over here where you can actually hang it to in any of your purses. And it has a tag over here and the beautiful cherries. Look at that. Look at the mini cherries right there. Wow, isn't she lovely? Wow. So we also have the handle. It's made up of untreated leather, more of like an aged vacata leather. Right there, beautiful touch. And then those mustard stitching right there, which is actually similar to Louis Vuitton. Very lovely. And then the side corner, this little charm is everything. And on top of that, it is functional. That is amazing. So let's take a look at inside. It has a zipper pull that opens towards the side corner. It allows you to open the bag fully right there. It has a fabric lining in blue color. You could put some lipstick in here. I love the fact that this is very, very functional. And for that reason, it's definitely worth it. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. Like, honestly. So, very nice. Lovely charm. Right here. So pretty. Just like that. A mini bag. And of course you could attach this in any of your purses. Definitely. I think I will try to attach this on my Empire bag. Right here. Probably like that over there. And then I also have the hearts. I think it would look good with the hearts. And then another one right here, the cherries. Oh my gosh, this one looks great with the black purse. Really, you could see the cherries. You could really see the beautiful cherries in there, along with the heart. Maybe I could just put them all together, just like that. I think they look great. Wow. So anyway, these are some of the items that I've purchased in the past week, and they are worth it. Absolutely worth it, especially the bag charms. Especially these beautiful, lovely bag charms. And I think, wow, I think this is definitely my best purchases that I have done in years from Coach. The price, you can't really beat the price for this, and also those details, those beautiful, lovely details on this. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. It's definitely worth it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.